Zach Pollock with CFL FPV. This is our 6th annual FPV meet. We've done something a little unique in that we're here at a camp, so we've actually got on-site facilities, bunks, a nice field, showers, hot water, things that are great after a few days in the field. And this is a charity event, so we like to think that in addition to having a lot of fun as big grown-up kids, we get to do something that helps provide some positive influence back to what FPV is, and these drones aren't just scary things. So we hope to get some spectators out here. Usually have a pretty good crowd. Weather's finally breaking, so I think we're going to have a great day. We've got several more days of just some awesome activities planned, and looking forward to a great event. So we hope in the future everybody comes out and joins us down here in Central Florida for CFL FPV.
So, welcome back. Hopefully, it was back for a lot of you.